Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. NCERT accelerates distribution of new NEP 2020 textbooks nationwide. Over 90 lakh Class 9 textbooks across 9 subjects already made available. Class 9 Social Science textbook nearing release as publication under the revised curriculum progresses in a phased manner. Strategic distribution centers, online sales portal, vendor network, and e-commerce platforms mobilize to ensure timely access and address temporary supply gaps across the country. CBSE re-evaluation results delay continues. Over 1.6 lakh applications await processing as students face growing admission uncertainty. Supreme Court urges expedited action and timely resolution amid concerns over pending Class 12 results. Absence of an official timeline adds pressure on students seeking university admissions in India and abroad. Baba Ramdev launches Patanjali Civil Services Academy in Haridwar. Popular UPSC educator Awadh Ojha appointed to lead the initiative. 2-year residential program to offer coaching for UPSC and state civil services examinations alongside personality development and meditation training. Scholarships up to 100% and special fee benefits for Patanjali University students aim to make quality civil services preparation more accessible. India and Slovakia strengthen cooperation in higher education, research, artificial intelligence, semiconductors, and emerging technologies following a meeting between the Indian and Slovak PMs. Both nations agreed to enhance student, academic, and researcher mobility, expand institutional partnerships, and promote collaboration in STEM, humanities, digital technologies, space research, innovation, and startup ecosystems through new memorandums of understanding. CBSE invites teachers to participate in NCERT's 5-day online training program on understanding dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, dyspraxia, and developmental aphasia. Initiative promotes early identification of learning difficulties, inclusive classroom practices, and accessibility in line with NEP 2020 and RPWD Act 2016. CBSE Games 2026-27 registration process to commence soon, sports portal to go live in the coming days. No late fee for registration or participation applications, schools to receive advance. Intimation revised competition dates and updated CBSE sports calendar to be announced shortly. NCERT to replace altered dancing girl image in Class 9 textbook with original sculpture version. Decision taken after expert consultation following concerns over modified depiction in newly introduced arts education textbook. Revised image to be updated immediately in online edition and included in future printed copies. CBSE opens CTET September 2026 application correction window at ctet.nic.in. Candidates allowed to edit submitted forms within specified timeframe. Correction facility available only for successfully registered applicants through login credentials. CBSE advises candidates to review and update permitted details carefully, as no further changes will be allowed after the correction window closes. NTA assures Direct NEET UG 2026 fee refunds to verified candidate bank accounts. Aspirants advised to review and confirm account details on the official portal. Additional post-examination correction opportunity announced for candidates facing verification issues or data entry errors. NTA issues cyber fraud alert, urging students to avoid sharing OTPs, passwords, or banking credentials and rely only on official channels for refund-related updates. CBSE informs Supreme Court that it is working on a policy to declare Class 12 results for private candidates in Gulf countries whose examinations were cancelled due to the West Asia conflict. The center seeks time until June 22 to finalize the framework, while the court continues hearing petitions from students facing delayed results and admission uncertainty. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.